Alright, when getting the center of your part, you origin off here. You're going to press origin your machine. Come all the way down. When you come all the way down, lifting up on the Z, you're not going to move X or anything. You're going to come straight down, touch off here. You divide that figure by 2, it gave you a negative figure of 1.96. When you divide that by 2, you get 0.98. I then put it in there, press origin. Then I lifted it up, Z, came across for the X, went all the way, origin here in the machine, come all the way across, got that figure, divided that by 2, that was 1.96 again, divided that by 2, and the figure comes out to 0.98. Put that figure in here, press origin, and now I went all the way to 0 on both my X and Y, and to plug that in there, you just press part 0 set, right here, you see my finger? And now that's set for your X and Y. So for your Z, the same exact thing how you touch the V block. You origin off here. Once you press origin in the operator, you're gonna come, touch off in the V block, or whatever that figure is. It's gonna be a negative figure. You put that in here as the positive figure. Again, for a quick walkthrough, to find the center of your circular part or round part, origin off here in the operator, come across here, it's going to give you a figure, you divide that by 2, you put that in your machine and press origin. Lift up on the Z, come across, now you're going to get the X figure, origin off there, it's going to press origin 0, come across, take that figure, divide that by 2. When you divide that by 2, you put that number in there and you press origin. And then when you lift up on the X, you're gonna come 0 on the X and 0 on the Y. And you see that right there? And all I did was I went into my G54 work offset right there. I pressed part 0 set and it gave me that. And that is right there the center of my part.